Understanding the phrases, deep pain. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrases, deep pain. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this phrase and how to use it in everyday conversation. Deep. When used as an adjective, deep refers to something that goes far down from the top surface, or far into something. In a more figurative sense, it can mean intense or extreme. Pain. This is a feeling of discomfort, often resulting from an injury or something harmful. It can be physical, like when you get a cut, or emotional, like when someone you love hurts your feelings. Together, deep pain can refer to an intense, profound discomfort or suffering, whether it's physical or emotional. 1. After the accident, he felt a deep pain in his leg. 2. The loss of her mother caused her a deep pain that took years to heal. 3. It's not just a surface wound. It's a deep pain that needs more attention. Sometimes, you might want to use different words or phrases to express the same idea. Here are some synonyms for deep pain: profound sorrow, intense discomfort, severe agony, deep-seated grief. Thank you for joining us in exploring the meaning of deep pain. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase and its usage in the English language. Remember, language is a beautiful tool for expressing our feelings and experiences. See you in the next video, and happy learning!